Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this really good looking big wide straight power 11 500 watt gold standard straight power that are aiming for sophisticated users and personal computer builders like us, and they understand the straight power as the PSU of the choice for all who are not dependent on the sheer overwhelming feature set of a dark power, yet do not want to miss out on premium technology, of course. The straight power 11 here with 550 watt power is available in different power steps too. This is world-class quiet and efficiency device. The big wide straight power raises the bar for systems that demand virtual inaudible operation without power quality compromission. We have virtual inaudible silent wing 3 135mm fan. Funnel shape the fan opening of the PSU case for high airflow intake, while free inside the PSU on the DC side for enhanced cooling and longevity, and modular cable for maximum build flexibility. And we have 80 plus gold efficiency, that means up to 93%. We have two PCIe connectors for powerful GPUs, and Japanese 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors ensure the stability and reliability. ErP and Energy Star 6.1 ready, and the best thing here, the highlight is really the silent wing 3 fan. Provides virtual inaudible operations. The high-end Silent Wings 3 fan delivers the best of the class airflow, yet produces very little noise. This is thanks to its unique optimized fan blade design, along with an advanced fluid dynamic bearing and a 6-pole fan motor that largely eliminates operations noise. It has a super long life and a minimum power consumption. The straight power comes in this case with 550 watt continuous power. Peak power can be 600 watt. We have a form factor version 2.4, and the form factor is the EPS 12 volt. We have our topology LLC plus SR plus DC and DC. We have a voltage range from 100 up to 240. That means it can work on the entire planet. The frequency in hard is 50 up to 60. Input current is 8 for ampere. The power factor at 100% load is more than 0.99. And the power consumption in standby mode is less than 0.12 watt. Average lifetime 100,000 hours. The operation temperature is up to 40 degrees Celsius. You see, that's a big thing here. We have a lot of cable compatibility. We are already using a bulk wide power supply and want to upgrade our system with a new straight power, for example. Then we can easily buy, for example, a spare part or the wires which we need, because it's dynamic. You can make a really cool thing with that. That means the cable management is really cool on this. We have funnel shaped fan opening, higher cooling performance. The fan inlet of the straight power 11 is funnel shape. It causes an increased throughput of air, which benefits to our high cooling performance, and wire free inside the PSU. The pushing the longevity of the components to a maximum. An absolute innovation is that the straight power 11 here is wire free on the DC side inside the PSU body. This results in improved cooling airflow and less signal disturbance, simply because of a lack of wiring, and you ultimately push the lifetime of the components to a maximum. But I think the big, really awesome thing behind this is the modular cables. utmost convenience and compatibility. Thanks to the modular cables, all cables that serve no purpose in the system are left out. For this reason, systems always appear very tidy. At the same time, installation is performed much more conveniently. A smoother airflow results from the uncluttered layout of the system, which means lower noise and temperature prevail inside the case. And we have 80 plus gold certification. Impressively high efficiency. The straight Power 11 is certified with 80 plus gold efficiency, reaching up to 93%. This gives less power consumption and a cooler and quieter operation. Truly a benefit for any system. And we have high class technology behind this. Compatibility for the system of tomorrow. The use of the LLC and synchronous rectifier, this is the SR, provides very stable operation and enhanced voltage regulation. The PSU is equipped with a DC to DC conversion to tight voltage regulation even under heavy cross-loading conditions. This ensures a reliable operation with the next generation of processors and graphics cards out there. And more Japanese 105 degrees capacitors, a testament to high quality. Only the best components are used in the straight Power 11 family. That is why they have built only high quality Japanese capacitors into the PSU chassis. They are rated to 105 degrees Celsius, ensuring stability, reliability, and a long operation life too. That's all. And this brings us a really nice device to power up our personal computer. This is the Be Quiet Straight Power 11. In this case with 550 watt gold version. That's good for medium and bottom upper class rigs out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.